Welcome to 6145 Rosecroft Place here in Nanaimo's Parkwood Village. With over 1,300 square feet of living space, all on one level. No stairs to navigate, no exterior maintenance responsibilities, just you and your loved ones living your best life here in one of Nanaimo's most popular neighborhoods. Step inside this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow. The kitchen looks onto the open living space with a warm natural gas fireplace. The high, vaulted ceilings accentuate the spacious living area. The large primary suite includes vaulted ceilings and a 3-piece ensuite. The massive second bedroom is nicely separated from the primary suite and has direct access to the second full bathroom, giving your guests their own space and privacy. The quiet backyard is private and nicely separated from the other units. This home features a spacious, attached 2-car garage and a large driveway with ample parking for your vehicles and guests. The location is ideal, with walking distance to transportation and shopping. For a full information package or to book a private showing, reach out to me or my team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.